In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Hootsuite for TikTok. If you have never posted from Hootsuite before, do not worry, the process is straightforward. And once you do it one time, it becomes very easy to repeat. Today, we are going to walk through the exact steps to create a post. Select your TikTok account, upload your video, add your caption and hashtags, and then either post right away or schedule it for later. First, click the plus button and choose Create a Post. On your screen, look for a blue button that says something like Create a Post or a plus icon that opens the posting options. This is where you begin the publishing flow in Hootsuite. Taking this step tells Hootsuite that you want to publish new content, and it prepares the page where you can upload your media and write your text. Next, choose your TikTok account. After you start creating the post, you will see options for selecting which connected account you want to use. Click or select the TikTok account you want, and make sure the correct account is highlighted before you move on. This matters because your caption, media, and final publish action will go to the account you select. If you have more than one TikTok account connected, double-check that the one you choose is the one you intend to post from. Now you will add your video file. Drag your video file into the media area. On screen, there should be a section that says Media, Upload, or includes a box where files can be dropped. If you are recording, make sure your cursor is inside that media area before you drop the file. Drag and drop is designed to be fast, so once you release the file, you should see it upload. If your upload does not start immediately, pause and verify you dropped the file into the correct box. While the video uploads, take a moment to watch for the upload to finish. You want to see the video appear in the media preview or show a completed status. This ensures that the platform has the correct file and that nothing was interrupted. When the video is ready, you can move to writing the text that will appear with your post. Next, type your caption and hashtags. In the caption field, type the message you want viewers to read with your video. Then add hashtags in the hashtag portion of the post editor, or continue adding them within the caption area depending on how your Hootsuite layout is set up. Keep your hashtags relevant to the content in your video and use them to help people discover your post. Clear captions and well-chosen hashtags improve how your content performs, especially on platforms like TikTok, where discovery is a big part of the experience. After you have your video and your text ready, you will reach the final step where you decide when to publish. Click Post Now if you want your content to go live immediately. If you prefer to publish at a specific time, choose Schedule instead. When you schedule, you typically set the time you want the post to publish, so the video will appear on TikTok at that chosen moment. Posting now is best for quick updates, while scheduling is helpful when you want to align with your audience's activity. Once you select Post Now or Schedule, review that everything looks correct one more time. Confirm that the correct TikTok account is selected, the right video has uploaded, and the caption and hashtags are what you want. Then proceed with the final confirmation or button in your workflow, and that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.